Hi guys, can anyone hear me? Hi guys, can anyone hear me? All right, awesome. Thank you everyone for joining. Um, let's just wait a bit to. Yeah, so if you are with me, please just drop a comment before we kick off. While while we wait for some other persons to join us. Let's have the school music playing. All right, so let me see your comments in the comment section. If you are joining us now, all right. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so thank you guys for joining. All right, so today we are going to be having a market analysis on Euro USD. All right, um, this analysis is for us to look at what to expect in this week. All right, what to expect in the new week. Okay, what do we expect in the new week? Um, all right, so welcome, guys. We won't be taking so much time here. However, I will be doing a very um, thorough analysis on Euro USD. I believe those who have joined us today, this is very important to you, and more reasons why you have joined us this this in this session. All right. So let me do USD. Okay, let's do this. All right. So I'm going to share something with you for some of us who are forex traders and are anticipating next week. All right. Um, in the beginning of last week, I said that USD would move bearish. All right. And of course, we can see that bearish momentum coming in. However, I'll just do a quick top to bottom analysis of Euro USD. So, so let's go to the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame now, one of the things we want to quickly establish on the monthly time frame is what is the overall market direction of Euro USD on the monthly time frame. All right. What is the overall market direction of Euro USD on the monthly time frame? So the overall direction of Euro USD on the monthly time frame. See? All right. Then let's map out also the market structure. What is the current market structure? So the current market structure moves like this. Okay, yeah. The current market structure. So we have a support level here, front resistance zone. Okay, and we have another support level here. Okay, we have another support level here. We have another support level here. All right, and when we zoom in, we would see that in the last 2 months, which is December and November, we saw bullish momentum coming in, and that's not that's something that is propelled by this doji sign here. You can see this doji candle on this support level is an indication of market reversal. on the higher time frame, when you see candles like doji, when you see candles like the the bearish pin bar, you know fully well that it is market reversal is about to happen. All right. So yeah, we see how this after this doji appear, we saw the buy momentum, the bullish momentum, came in and price was was pushed up. All right. So the question now is what is in for us in January? All right. What should we expect? So um, we'll be working on this based on pure technical analysis. All right. So first, we've been able to establish market structure and market direction on the higher time frame. Let's go down to the lower time frame. Before we go down to the lower time frame, looking at this chart on the higher time frame, let me remove this guy. I'm not a fan. Let me just remove the clothes. All right. So looking at the higher time frame here, all right, we can see that you know the candlestick has crossed above this support level. All right. So we had a retest in January and now, you know, trying to create a wick to the down part, showing some more buy pressures coming in. All right. You can see some more buy pressure coming in here. Okay. Good. So let's see what the weekly time frame is telling us. Okay. So here is the weekly time frame, and so here is the weekly time frame, and we can see that on the weekly time frame now, price has crossed a resistance zone, a support turned resistance zone. All right, at this level, price crosses support turned resistance zone at this level. Okay, and on the weekly time frame, we can see a bearish pin bar up here. Okay, a bearish pin bar up here last 2 weeks. Then last week we saw bearish momentum coming in. All right, bearish momentum came in, and then this level still acted as a strong support level, which pushed back price up a bit. All right. So what do we anticipate? What do we see in this coming week? All right. In this coming week, what do we see? From this level. Okay. So from this level, we would see from the weekly time frame, we would see something like this. Price would go up and come down here. All right. But from the price movement, we might see price go up to touch this trend line. All right. Before coming downwards. Let me zoom in so that we can see what I'm saying clearly. Can you see what I'm saying clearly here? So we might see price go up, touch this trend line, and then move back a bit. All right. The reason why I said it is when you look closely, when you move closely, you can see that there is still so much buy momentum at this level acting as a support zone. All right. The overall market direction is downwards, but we might still see price push up a bit. Might not be up to this level, but we will see price push up a bit. Either touching this trend line or just half of it and then pulling down back, reversing down back. So There are few things that a swing trader might want to look from here. They are swinging from this level upward, all right, and waiting for the confirmation of a reversal before changing position. Okay, but for intraday traders, you are more curious to know what is going to happen within the shortest time frame, within 24 hours. So that will now lead us going down to daily time frame. All right, good. So on this daily time frame now, you can see what price has been doing over time. All right. So from here now, if you observe the wave-like pattern at which price have been moving, you at this point you would see that price has been taking, you know, a higher high, has been closing at a higher high. All right, let's zoom in on this. You see that price has been closing at the higher high. Okay, good. So definitely we can see that this level where price currently crossed here is a support zone, a strong support zone. All right, a strong support zone. This level here is a strong support zone. Okay, so if this level is a strong support zone, good. All right, so if we have this level as a strong support zone for price, okay, and we can see how price have reacted after breaking out of this level and a retest on it. We saw how price reacted at this level, pushing price up. Okay, now if you see the same playing out here after this breakout, price came back to retest. So there is still much of a buy momentum at this level, at this zone. Okay, so this week we can expect price move, can expect price to move up to this level. Can expect price to move up to this level, all right, if not close to the trend line, okay, before reversing back, all right, and finally going in its normal position, in its bearish position, which is the overall market structure. So don't forget that the overall market structure of Euro USD is bearish. Okay, the overall market structure is bearish, but for intraday traders who want to trade within the shortest time frame, 24 hours, who wants to trade the daily time frame, 4 hours time frame, you might also want to look at the price momentum in the current time frame, which is the daily time frame. Okay, so we would most likely see the higher chances that price will push up before going down further. All right, so in a new week we might see price pushing up, okay, then going down further. All right, that's what we might see. Okay, now why did I map out this level as one of the key levels to watch that price might push up to? Is because that level is the next key resistance zone. As you can see it here, that it has previous price footprints, okay, where price had created footprints at this level. So this level is very significant, resistance zone. Okay, good. So we might see price come up here, and not be able to push up further, and then turn downwards. All right. So that is my outlook for Euro USD. Okay, let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame here now, good. So you can see how price has been rallying or at this level. Shows good. So definitely you can see that price has been creating a higher low. I'm sorry, a higher high, a lower high. Okay, price has been creating a lower high. Price has been creating a lower high. I'm going to. You see that? Now, observe similar pattern in what I'm going to show you here. You observe that price ranged in between this level and broke out upwards. All right, see the same thing play out here. Do you see the same thing play out here? Okay, now see almost the same thing that would most likely play out here. All right, so what you see here, price range in between these gaps and pumps up, then price ranges in between these gaps and pumps up. All right, so we would most likely see similar pattern where price having ranged in between this gap, then pumps up. Okay, would most likely see this. All right, would most likely see this. Okay, so this is my outlook for Euro USD for the week. All right, so if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. I'm waiting. Also, if you got value from this section and you want us to be having a market review like this always, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you are following in the comment section. If you want something like this, weekly market review prior to the markets opening, let me know in the comment section. I'm waiting for you. Let me know in the comment section. I'm waiting. So you can see what we are expecting here now. Repeated patterns in the market. All right. So look at this. Price ranged in this level, pumps up, comes down here, ranges again, pumps up, comes down here, ranges again. Then what is the higher probability of price movement? All right, is to break out of this session, this zone, and move up. Okay, so it's either this is our target level. All right, this is our target level. Okay, that's our target level. I hope you are getting some value here. Okay, I hope you are getting some value here. Let me so is there any other pair you want us to review? One great. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. All right. If you have any question with regards to this analysis, please let me know. So that before we round up, we have 4 minutes more. So this would be our target for intraday traders. Don't forget I said the overall market is bearish. All right. However, we are seeing a bullish opportunity in a smaller time frame. You don't have to lose guard it. All right. So this is our market outlook for Euro USD for the week. All right. So thank you so much, one another great for joining. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, click on the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we are having our next session. Of course, every Sunday, 8 p.m. West African time, we would always be here for a market analysis. Um, Joe, thank you for joining. I appreciate. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Thank you for joining, and bye for now.